Now in today's video, we're talking about power solutions for all your smart electronics, laptops, tablets, phones, and headphones, and anything that can charge USB-C. First of all, we have from Sharge, this is the Hyper Tower 170 watt charger. This packs power, and I'm going to share with you a lot of what I learned and how I'm using it with my laptop and several of my devices. Bottom line is that this can power a lot of devices at the same time, and it also has pass-through. What pass-through basically means that you can charge this as it charges other devices at a very fast rate. Now, the other thing which is really great for portability is the Ice Mage or Ice Mag 3 power bank. This guy is a wireless charger, but also has a physical cable connected to it. Matter of fact, that's something that both of these products share, that they both have built-in cabling, so you don't need an extra cable, but we're going to have one that we're going to test as well. The cool thing about this one is that it plays also kickstand, charger, and also mag charger, so you can charge two devices at the same time. Let's get right to it. Now, before going into both devices, just wanted to highlight a couple things about these. As you can see here, the Hyper Tower is 170 watt total output, and it's a 25,000 battery. Now, that capacity is going to be airline safe. You're going to be able to take it with you on an airline without any trouble. Now, from 170 perspective, just so that you understand how this works, there's several ports on the actual battery, and as you use them, it intelligently is going to route power to each one of those ports. Now, your phone is going to control this. Your laptop is going to control this. It's not the actual battery. The battery is just going to supply power, but it's going to be a total up to 170. So again, it's going to be based on your devices. We're going to see, I have a MacBook Pro right here that's fully tapped out, and I want to show you how quickly it starts sucking power from the battery. Now, so a lot of power, and we're going to see this really close up. And then the same thing with this one. This is a 35 watt charger though, but it does do fast charging if you do the actual connection in the back when it comes to the MagSafe. And this is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. So this is again 10,000 versus 25,000, big difference, but again very convenient. Now, Sharge did send us a fast charging cable. This has a total capacity of 240 watts, which is going to be great. And the cable actually is a magnetic cable. We'll set this to the side. This is what the cable looks like, and I have it connected to a power bank, but it's one of these that makes it really easy if you're going to travel with. I actually prefer these because as I am sitting on a plane and I take out my cables to charge stuff, I like how this just goes back like this, and I can put this in my bag really easily and not have cables all over the place. So I like that. I have it connected to a power charger because I want to show you the power charging rate. This is a 140 watt power charger that you're going to see charging this in a couple seconds. All right, so taking a look at the chargers, and these basically have the ability to have four devices charging at the same time. You have a charge port A, USB-C, 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 and this is a retractable one, right? So this is pretty cool. This is one that is both the lanyard and it's also a USB-C cable. And when my kids were small and we would go to amusement parks, and I was carrying a backpack, I'd literally have all the kids tethered to me because I could pull out cables and charge them. So this, if you're traveling, you're on a plane, you want to charge your laptop really quick because you're running out of power and you don't have a power port, this is definitely a way to go. And we'll go ahead and take off the plastic because I'm one of those guys that has not taken out the plastic yet so that we can see what this is all about. And you'll see there's probably going to be some ASMR going on here as soon as I remove this plastic. It's kind of stuck on there. You can hear how stuck that is. You can hear that now. All right. For some of you, that was super pleasing. For others, that was annoying. I hope it was on the pleasing side. So here we have it. It's a very nice finish, and it does have a real nice display. Display is probably on the light side, so you can see that right there. It's going to be, let me put it on the main one so you guys can see it. So pretty informative. It's going to tell you what's being drawn, and it's also going to tell you what is what charge rate, how much is being drawn, and then also it's going to give you some time information. So here you'll notice here is how it's showing every single charging port or cable. And then if we go this one more time, you can see here it's showing us information about the battery. In this case, it is the usage, how much has gone in and how much has gone out. And then also the temperature. So we'll put this right here so you can see how that looks like right there, right? So a lot of good information in there, and you're going to see how this thing starts charging. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and start connecting some devices to it. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my phone. And what I look for is the ability to do fast charging. Or actually super fast charging. I'm going to pull this cable out. I'll leave it here on the side. and then I'm going to put it in my phone. So this is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 7. And what we're going to look for is super fast charging, which is going to be the teal. And what should happen is the display should change. So let's go ahead and do that. So now it should pop up and it says super fast charging. Yep. So it's doing that. And if I come here to the display and I press this button, I should see information. It should say that it's right now sucking out 17% power. Let's remove this plastic from here. It's basically taking 18% out, and it says it's going to last about 2 hours and 36 minutes. So let me show you that right there. That'll be pretty easy for you to see. So that's the charging rate. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this to my Mac. Now, remember I said that the Mac is completely drained, so it has no power. And we're going to go ahead and see how much it basically side here. I'm not going to plug it in completely until I have ports aligned so you can see this. You should see on the overhead the actual charger, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in. And now, let's see what it says. It's starting to draw, and we're looking at 34 watts. It's now going up. 38 watts, 49 watts, 71 watts, 86, 92, 97, 100 watts, and it's climbing. It's basically now has 105 watts, and that's pretty impressive. What I'm going to do, because I want you to see that really close, just in case it doesn't come out clear because the screen is kind of dim, I'm going to unplug it from the actual side cable. I'm going to use the USB-C cable that they provided. That way I have some flexibility in being plug this in on the side. All right, and we're going to let this thing pop up, and then I'm going to put it on the front-facing camera so that you guys can see this. I'm going to wait until it hits. So right now it's going up again. And so the cool thing about this is that you can actually charge this at the same time that it's charging your device. Now, it's going to depend on your power brick. In this case, I have a 140 watt power brick, so it's going to charge this at 100 watts. And then this is also going to be supplying battery power. It will charge at the same time that's charging. And this makes a lot of sense. Like if you're going to an amusement park or you're going to the beach and you're taking this on vacation and you want to top off your devices, but at the same time type off the battery, you don't have to choose between which one you do first. You can do them both at the same time. So this is right now saying that it's charging at 105 watts output. And at that rate, the battery is going to be about 24 minutes. So let me show you what that looks like right there. See that? All right, so that's super powerful. So I like that it could do that. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to charging the battery, because this is where I think that this thing has a superpower. We're going to let the phone charge still. I'm going to go ahead and plug this back in. All right. Now, two things are charging at the same time. And it's going to climb up to that 105 watts. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to charge this at 140 watts. And so here I have the cable. I'm going to plug it right here on the side off camera so that we can get this charging going and you can see everything that's going on. So now I'm charging, and the battery, let me see, it's going to say it's right now starting to ramp up. On the side, it is going up to 100 watts. So there's 100 watts of power that are being supplied to the battery, and it says that it's in pass-through mode. So you'll notice right now it says it's 83%. But because I'm charging the battery at the same time that the battery is charging, and also my power is high at 100 watts, that 83% should either remain the same or very slowly it should go from 83 to 84 to 85 to 86. Now, if I hadn't been using it right now to charge two devices at the same time, this thing would be charging very, very fast. You know, when you're charging at 100 watts, it's going to be minutes, not hours to charge. And but this is one of the greatest things about this solution, the way this works. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug it because I wanted to show you the pass-through. And we're going to just, we're going to have it just charging. So right now it's at 83% and actually jumped up to 84%. And while we're doing this video, we're going to see how far it will get pretty quick. So now we're going to look at this guy right here. So as we look at this guy, there's a couple things that you can do. And I want to show you the super fast charging. So or fast charging wireless. I'm going to go ahead and connect this right here. And as soon as I do this, it's going to light up. It says it's charging. So you see that on the bottom. On here, this lights up, right? It has a little cooling system. And then it has a kickstand. So this kickstand, you can do one of these things and it's set to go, right? I close the kickstand up. Now that's one way to charge. The other way to charge, and you can actually do two devices at the same time, is by using this cable here. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect this cable, bottom, and then we'll see what it does over here. And it does super fast charging. So on the wireless side, it does fast charging. When you connect it, it does super fast charging. And then again, you'll notice that it is lit up and it's actually cooling, and you see the fuel gauge on the side. So I like the fact that you could do all that with this thing. You also then have a pass-through capability as well. So I can actually put that USB-C cable to charge this as it's running as well. So, you know, a lot of flexibility when it comes to these. Nola has stolen this a couple times from me already because she kind of likes the wireless charging, and then, you know, she can hold it like this, and then she can actually charge other devices at the same time. Now, going back to this battery, right? It's right now, it's charging at 69 watts. Now, keep in mind that this is at 80% already. It's not charging at the fastest possible rate. If this battery was more like 40% or 20%, it would be charging much faster. But since we've been doing this video without any kind of edit, we've already seen from 83 to 85. That's how much it's charged. So, bottom line with both of these solutions from Sharge, if you're looking for, again, charging solutions, you're on a plane, on business, you're about, and many times Nola will forget that to charge your phone overnight, these become great options. This is very pocketable, goes in a purse, and this, if you're going to be out for the day, is a great way to go too. And because it charges so fast, you can actually extend this much longer. So this will probably go in my bag for sure when it comes to business travel because of the size and the fact that I can charge this at the same time. So it's a great option to have. So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.